Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, July 31st, 1923. It is 1:33 and 25 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cellular fuels. So let's come to it here. Alternative cellular fuels, boost immunity, date July 28, 1923. Source, Van and Dell Research Institute. A metabolic byproduct that is more prevalent during fasting may supercharge immune cells as they fight infection and disease, reports an early-stage study. The findings may pave the way for future personalized dietary recommendations to augment treatments for infection, cancer, and other diseases. The findings center on ketone bodies, which are regularly produced by the liver, but become more numerous when glucose, a sugar that acts as the main power source for cells, is in short supply. This can occur during exertion, such as exercise, when cells are rapidly burning through fuel, or during fasting, when there is little food available to be broken down into glucose. And to compensate, the liver steps up production of ketone bodies that feed the brain and other organs. The study shows that ketone bodies also power immune cells, a surprise finding that illuminates new connections between diet and immunity. Like other cells in the body, T cells, the soldiers of the immune system, absorb nutrients, like glucose, from our diets to generate the energy required to do their jobs. Researchers demonstrated that T cells prefer ketone bodies over glucose as a fuel source. They also found that ketone bodies improve T cell function by reprogramming them to better neutralize threats. Conversely, loss of the ability to process ketone bodies causes defects in the T cell function and hampers their ability to combat infection. The scientific investigators and researchers hypothesize that ketone bodies may be an evolutionary fail-safe that boosts the immune system when nutrient resources are limited, such as when one's appetite is suppressed during illness. This work underscores how different nutrient fuels source distinct cellular functions and also fosters future interest in considering the diversity of nutrient fuel utilization patterns among different immune cell types in various infections, disease, or cancer contexts. Although the study suggests increasing ketone bodies through fasting or intermittent fasting regimens may enhance T cell function in certain circumstances, other studies suggest that fasting may suppress immune function. Rather than being at odds with one another, these studies illuminate the intricate interactions between diet and the immune system and underscore the need for further research into this complex relationship. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.